Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman from Accounting Celebrity. Welcome to my channel where I upload accounting tutorials weekly. Our today's topic is two powerful terms in accounting: tangible assets and intangible assets. So let's get started. Asset is everything a business owns. There are two types of categories of asset. The first one is tangible assets. Okay, so what is tangible assets? Tangible assets are physical things like furniture, cash, etc., and these assets add value to the company or business. So let us see some examples of tangible assets. Okay, so here one, land and building. Okay, then furniture or fixtures. Okay, then motor car or motor van. Then we can say equipments. Okay, then machinery. Okay, then we can say cash and bank balance. Okay, then stock of goods or inventory. Okay, so these are tangible assets. So see, these assets we can see, these are visible, these are physical. We can see, we can touch. Okay, now we will see what is intangible asset. Okay, number 2 here, intangible assets. Okay, so what is intangible assets? Intangible assets are not physical, but they add value to the business. Okay, so they don't exist physically. For example, we can say one, copyright. Okay, then goodwill. Okay, then number 3 here, patents. Okay, then number 4, trademark. Okay, then number 5 here, company's brand. Okay, so these are intangible assets. Okay, see here, copyright, goodwill, patents, trademarks, company's brand. These are assets. So these are not physical. These assets do not exist physically, but these assets add value to the business. Okay, so here what is copyrights? So copyright is here intellectual property of a person or a business. Okay, then goodwill. Okay, so goodwill represents a value that a target company is paid to acquire them. Okay. Now patent. So what is patent? Okay. Patent provides a property right. Property rights to the inventor. Okay. Inventor. Okay, now trademark. What is trademark? It's very simple. Trademark is recognizable phrase, PHRA, phrase or symbol, SYMBOL. Okay, so trademark, it is a recognizable phrase or symbol of a business or company. Okay, so here company's brand, you may know company's brand means name of the company. Yeah, so here this means identifying logo or name of the business company, or you can say symbol. Okay, so these are tangible and intangible assets. Yeah, so list of tangible assets and intangible assets are given here. Learn them properly, try to understand. Okay, try to remember them. So if you learn them, whatever questions you get in exam about tangible and intangible assets, you will be able to answer. Okay, and these are only examples of tangible assets. So if you learn them, there will be nothing to learn new. So this will help you to get good grades, good marks in exam. Okay, and here I showed some short narrative description. So this will help you to understand these tangible assets here. Okay, and this is all about our today's lesson. I hope you understood and you enjoyed this lesson, and please subscribe to my channel. There are so many videos on my channel you can check out, and if you think that this video is helpful, you can share it with your friends. Okay, and I'll see you soon with new video. You stay safe. Bye bye and take care.